Controlling a mouse pointer has never been easier with the Twiddler. This smooth square at the top of the Twiddler is the mouse touchpad. Just swipe your thumb over it in the direction you want the cursor to move. There are a few different navigation modes to make your mousing easier. Let's check it out. In mouse mode, wherever your thumb moves on the touchpad, that's where your cursor goes. Slide left, right, up, down, and any way in between. Pressing down on the touchpad causes a mouse click, left click, right click, or middle click. You can customize which function meets your navigation needs in Twiddler Tuner. If you ever just want to scroll through a page or feed with ease, scroll wheel mode is the answer. You can switch to scroll wheel mode by pressing the Cycle Nav mode chord until the second LED turns yellow. The touchpad will only monitor the up and down component of your thumb movements. When you want to go back to mouse mode, just press the Cycle Nav mode chord until the first LED turns yellow. You're now one step closer to mastering the Twiddler.